Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to get to this right here. So let's go back over here to this and go back to where all our clips were in our clip bin, essentially. Now, if you notice the two little corporal arrows here, kind of like in SolidWorks, if I click on this, it goes and shows me other tabs that are not displayed. So I'm going to click on Effects, and I'm going to come down here. I've already preset and looked at the exponential fade. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to come over here now and I'm going to modify or edit the actual audio. So to do that, I need to unlock it. So I'll go ahead and unlock it. I'll grab by exponential fade, and I'll come over here and place that there, and I'll come over here and I'll place it on the end. So let's play this now. I'll come over and select in this clip, move my playhead back to the beginning, and hit play. So that sounds pretty good. You can see how it kind of fades in. Let's see how it does on the fade out. I'll scoot over here, hit fade out. Yeah, that's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so now we've added our audio fade in and our audio fade out. We like what it is. We're going to go ahead and lock that clip. We're going to go ahead and go back over here to the beginning. And let's see if we can do the same thing for a video effect where we fade in. So we'll come down here, it says video effects. Let's click on this again. Oh, here we are, video transitions. And we have these dissolves. So I'll go ahead and scroll down here, and I've got dip to black, dip to white, all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, take this cross dissolve here, put it on the front. I don't know if that's going to work, but it looks like it shows it black. So I hit my playhead. Yeah, it looks pretty good, but I notice a problem up here. Notice how this video clip is kind of small? Let's just keep playing. Notice how the text is big. Well, we got to fix these titles because they're not actually the right size. That's not a problem. We're going to come back over here, click on this, and we click on this screen. We'll go ahead and hit our tilde key to zoom out. We'll double click on this, and see how I have these control corners here set up? I'm going to go ahead and scale this out. Hold my shift key down, grab that, and scale it out. I can go quite pretty big right here. I'll go up to about that size right there, and we'll leave it at that. Okay, good. Hit our tilde key and get back. We're going to come down here because you can see the black right here on the edge of this clip for our exit title. I'll also notice that we changed it. It's got this effect on it because we added the crossfade. Come over here, do the same thing on this guy. Click on that screen, hit our tilde key, select here, double click, got to select it, hold our shift key down, and scale it up until it covers up the extent of the screen. That's why it's always good to leave a lot of white space around your actual titling that you create. Hit my tilde key again and zoom out. That looks pretty good. Now sometimes on the actual video itself, like here, this may not be the right size that you want. You'll have to do the same thing. I know in SolidWorks that happens quite a bit. So let's go back here to the front and let's kind of look at what we got so far. Okay, notice a little jag there, a little dry, a little bit of a kind of a little bit of a like a sequence. Ah, there it is. See a little black space there? Got a little bit on the other side over here as well. So we'll click on this, and we can extend these out, and it'll scale up proportionally. So that way you don't have any black edges around it. Okay, so that's kind of adjusted. Now let's move over here to the middle between the two clips, and let's look at a cross dissolve there. And that between these two, I think I have to have these both selected. So let me click on this clip here, hold my shift key down and click on that one. Let's see if I can drag that and put it in the middle. I may have to work on that a little bit. Let's see what this does. Yeah, there's my little crossfade. Okay, I'll move this over here to this clip on the end, and I'll do the same thing. See how that works. Yeah, look pretty good. I'm gonna play that one more time. Yeah, it looks good. And let's go down here to the end, and let's do a different one. Let's do a dip to black. See what that does. Kind of curious. I haven't actually used it too much. Ah, that's perfect. Okay, we're going to stop for now. Go ahead and save our project. Do Control S to save. And we'll stop for now, and we'll come back to this in a moment.